You want to know something wild? Most men don't fall in love with the woman who tries the hardest. They don't fall for the one who sends the perfect text, always says the right thing, or tries to be the most put together version of herself. How? They fall in love with the woman who makes them feel something they weren't expecting, something unfamiliar, yet unforgettable. It's not about beauty. It's not about perfection. It's not about status, seduction, or strategy. It's about something deeper, something invisible, something we don't talk about enough, emotional resonance. This video isn't about playing games. It's not about manipulation, reverse psychology, or making him chase you. It's about truth, emotional truth, emotional truth. The kind of truth that lives in your body, your breath, your energy. What makes a man truly fall in love is what makes him feel seen. What makes him feel safe. What makes him feel like he's finally arrived, not in a place, but in a person. And it all starts with this, a woman who's not afraid to be herself. We've all heard the stereotypes. Men don't like to talk about feelings. Men aren't emotional. Men only want one thing. But what if I told you the opposite was true? Most men are deeply emotional. They just haven't been taught how to show it. From the time they were little boys, they heard things like, don't cry, man up, don't be weak, act tough. So guess what they learned? To hide, to suppress, to armor up. But the emotions didn't disappear. They just went underground, waiting for the right conditions to finally surface. And often, the person who creates those conditions is you. A man doesn't need a woman who has all the answers. He doesn't fall in love with perfection. He falls in love with emotional safety. It doesn't mean coddling him. It doesn't mean becoming his therapist. It doesn't mean agreeing with everything he says. It means he can be vulnerable without being judged. He can share a fear without being shamed. He can show confusion, weakness, or even failure and still feel respected. There's something incredibly attractive about a peaceful woman, not a passive woman, not someone who's numb or emotionless, but a woman who is at peace with herself. When a man is around a woman who is grounded in herself, he relaxes. It's like he can finally take off his emotional armor. Tit. He can breathe. You're not there to fix him. You're not chasing his attention or validation. You're not operating from scarcity. That energy is rare, and that's what makes it magnetic. Most women, through no fault of their own, have been conditioned to perform, to prove, to please, to earn love. But the woman who isn't performing, who isn't trying to be perfect, she stands out. She becomes a place of rest in a world full of pressure. Yes, physical attraction matters. Your smile, your presence, your energy, it all draws people in. But that's not what makes a man stay. He stays when he feels something real. When he shares a story from his childhood and you don't look away. When he tells you his dreams and you listen without interrupting or affixing. When he loses a job or makes a mistake and you don't shrink away. You just stay beside him, calm and present. He falls in love not when he's being impressed, but when he feels accepted. That kind of connection is unforgettable. You've probably heard, and be confident, know your worth, don't settle. But here's what many don't tell you. Confidence isn't always about being the loudest in the room for a round. It's not about being dominant or in control all the time. Sometimes confidence is quiet. It's steady. It's embodied. It's the kind of confidence that says, I trust myself. I don't need to control this. I don't need to force love. I attract it by being myself. That's powerful. Men respect that. They're drawn to that because it doesn't try to manipulate them. It inspires them. Here's something many women don't realize. Men are drawn to softness, not to be confused with weakness, not to be confused with silence. Softness is the kind of strength that doesn't need to compete. It doesn't chase. It doesn't control. Softness says, I'm strong enough to be vulnerable. I'm not afraid of deep connection. I'm not afraid to love, even if it means getting hurt. That energy is healing, especially for a man who has lived most of his life behind emotional walls. I once knew a woman who tried so hard to be everything a man wanted. She wore the perfect outfits, said all the right things, never made waves, but something was always off. She was exhausted, disconnected, lonely, even in relationships. Then one day she stopped trying so hard. She showed up as she was, unfiltered, unpolished, real, and guess what happened? Someone finally saw her. Not the mask, not the performance, her. And that's when everything changed. Because when you stop trying to be the ideal woman, you become the unforgettable one. Men stay when they feel peace, not pressure, respect, not control, softness, not perfection, trust, not constant testing. They stay for the woman who can say no without guilt, can hold space without trying to rescue, can laugh without faking it, can love without losing herself. They stay for the woman who knows, I am enough, just as I am. Maybe you've been told you're too much, too emotional, too quiet, too soft, off. Maybe you've tried to twist yourself into the version of you that you think he wants. But what if the love you truly desire only arrives when you stop performing and start being the real you, the imperfect you, the beautiful, brave, vulnerable, wild you? That's the version men fall for. That's the version that stays unforgettable. Drop a comment. What part of yourself are you finally ready to stop hiding? And if this video touched something deep in you, wait until the next one. Because in the next episode, we're diving into something big. How to stop overthinking in love. How to trust again. How to reconnect with your intuition, even if your heart's been broken. Make sure you subscribe. Share this with someone who needs it. And always remember, you're already enough. You are not too much. You don't need to become someone else to be worthy of love. Stay grounded. Stay open. Stay real. Because the right person will never ask you to be anyone other than yourself.